fuck is it? Is it finally here? It's another unboxing. My homie is moving and he's got a bunch of shit he doesn't want to take with him, so I benefit from it. Got a box full of movies right here. Let's see what the fucker gave me. Strange Color of Your Body's Tears, a film by Bruno Forzani and Helen Catet. Pretty cool cover. Freakish, sexy, and deeply, deeply disturbed. I like that. It's a little tribute to Giallos. Fucking A. Little steel box set. Disc 2, The Street Fighter, Return of the Street Fighter, and the Street Fighter's Last Revenge. Fists of Death. Beyond the Black Rainbow. Heard a lot about this, but I don't recall ever seeing it myself, so fucking A. It's a cool cover. Fucking Begotten. Still never checked this one out. I know it gets mentioned a lot in the horror groups, so I'll finally watch it. Collector's Mentally Unstable Edition. Psycho, The Snuff Reels. Trailer Park Boys, 6th season. Ha! Sweet. Fucking love the Trailer Park Boys. And, don't forget, check out fucking, their site, SwearNet. They have a new season where they're in jail, and it is fucking hilarious. And SwearNet's cheap as fuck. It's like $2 a month or some shit, so fucking get it. More Trailer Park Boys. 3rd season. Oh, the Black Gestapo plus the Black Six. Fucking A. That should be fun. 10 Films Midnight Horror Collection. Grave Mistake, I Am Omega, Awaken the Dead, Zombie Dearest, Hide and Creep, Last of the Living, White Zombie, King of the Zombies, Teenage Zombie, and Night of the Living Dead. Which Night of the Living Dead is that? That's the OG Romero. Cool. Trailer Park Boys seasons 1 and 2. Oh, fuck yeah. Cyborg hookers, motherfuckers. Unscrupulous politician Senator Bushwhacker turns loose a gang of sex-starved robots in a bid to discredit his opponents. When disastrous complications arise, it becomes clear that the beautiful cyborgs cannot be trusted. Can they be controlled? Designed to love, programmed to destroy. Haha, fucking A. That's gonna be a fun one. Fuck. Yeah. Bear behind bars. Chicks in prison flick that will make you need a shower. Behind bars, no one can hear you scream. Holy fuck. Sweet. Gotta love fucking women in prison flicks. The complete Black Cobra series. Black Cobra, Black Cobra 2, Black Cobra 3, Manila Connection. Sweet. Yor is from a future world trapped in prehistoric times searching for his past. Hey homie, did you throw that in because I love fucking Beastmaster so much? Oh fuck. Here's one I've never seen, have heard a fuck ton about. Holy fuck. Troll 1 and 2. Oh shit. I've gotta watch these. I've heard nothing but the worst about them, so that's gonna be fucking fun. Ilsa, She-Wolf of the SS. I've got the box set, but I'll always take more copies of Ilsa. Fucking A. Don't know what the back says because it's in fucking some Asian language, but whatever. It's fucking Ilsa. Love that shit. 99 Women. X-rated French version. Torture, rape, lesbianism, and an outstanding cast. 1969. Enter the Void. That looks fucking cool. Sweet. What is this? A Scream Factory double feature. The Dungeon Master and Eliminators. Haha, sweet. Never heard of either of those, so they sound fucking cool as shit though. Sweet. Slither on blue with the slip. Fucking A. Really? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. The fucking Alice in Wonderland fucking porn musical. Right on. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre Special Edition. Is this the OG? Yep, looks like the original. Cool. Never have too many copies of that, do you? Fucking A. Alright, homie. Thanks a lot for all the junk, as you like to put it on Instagram, but shit was fucking dope. And everybody watching, the homie just dropped a new fucking project from CHASMDWELLER, or CHASMDWELLER. Fuck, sorry. I just still waking up, so I don't really know how to fucking say that word right now. But be sure to go fucking check it out on Bandcamp. I'll throw a link in the fucking description. And yeah, that's going to wrap up this unboxing. Thanks for fucking watching. Stay sleazy. Peace.